Finally, for Blazor server-side applications, these two metrics we found to be really, really instructive. The server response time, as long as we were 10 milliseconds or less, the user could not tell any kind of noticeable delay in any part of the application. And as long as the average receiving response time was under 100 milliseconds, they couldn't tell. Once either of those kind of started going beyond those thresholds, then it started to become perceptible that, oh, okay, now I had to wait a little bit. So those were good heuristics for a Blazor server-side application. For Blazor WebAssembly, it's the same metrics for any other web service application that you might happen. And then finally, connected circuits for Blazor server-side is one that we looked at. So here's just one example on a low traffic day, but average open circuits on the top right. We measured the number of connected Blazor server-side circuits that we had. And I think on this chart, there's 4 web servers in the farm, just to kind of show, just to test. And we can also measure the disconnected circuits that are disconnected, but not yet memory reclaimed. And so how do we do that? There is a special circuit handler class abstraction that you can implement. You can override, and you can do some counters. You can do however you want to. In this case, you just count them up. You throw them to application insights as a custom metric, and then now you have the metric. You can graph it. So you add that to your services collection, and now anytime someone connects or disconnects, you get a placeholder where you can execute some code. So that was really interesting.